Well, you may cry eba ne se Kumasi Asante Kotoko former captain Amos Frimpong and when your appointments at the club, nature says or your full staff of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Bosume so a obedwe nakatua ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Enum tina ya na ye ka se sa obo Kotoko na wabo no asum ne ye because sa obo na osum ne ya akwanya no eda ho in the years ahead or in the future. Amos eba Kotoko obesum ye pa. Amos Frimpong ye player on kase or ye deeply or rootedly talented, but you be a usua no ball no hunu bo pa or humble inti enyumre a na Kotoko confirm we on their social media handle inti hu se ewo ho 1 minute ago kra na Kotoko this our official communique no eba bontia menso mensa ka bia me de bro on the Super 24 TV do be was na appointment ben na Amos Frimpong Olomu ensaka as new appointment see a body tofa Kotoko appointing no as ade a friend no team manager na team manager na appointing no obeye for the youth side no aside the deputy welfare officer of the club and also it all revolves around the youth team no and see Kotoko krato the babon I mean kind also we are pleased to announce that former Kumasi Asante Kotoko captain Amos Olomo Frimpong has been appointed as the deputy welfare officer and the team manager of the team and also for the team manager for the youth team. Mamen kana minchire musa na omocho welcome home Amos. Let's just say welcome to Ifie. Sir Amos the former Kotoko captain why be ama Kotoko pa enti eno the current news coming from Kumasi Asante Kotoko camp enti na yenhye no nso on that regard mefa kwanya we so na mabo Amos Frimpong abaso na Kotoko players omo ball sisi a nso omo bobo na omo ahweso na omo asum ye because mpage forces are som pa wakatua no akatua papa eneda wanim in the no long to future no ubenya nepa bebre from playing well and playing